Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah Azawajal, welcome back to Fundamentals of Islam Part 1. If you can open page number 37, inshallah Azawajal, we're going to go through Madani Pearls of Yawning. It is stated in a hadith, when a person yawns, the Satan, the shaitan, laughs. Yawning is from Satan, shaitan. One should avoid it as much as possible. While yawning, cover your mouth with the back of your left hand. A tried and trusted way of stopping yawn is to imagine in the heart that the Prophets ﷺ never yawned. So one of the reasons of yawning is a sign of laziness as well. So if you can try to learn this hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, when a person yawns, shaitan laughs. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 6226. And then just go through the whole lesson, and inshallah azawajal, next time when we want to yawn, then we can yawn according to this saying of the Prophet ﷺ, and we can keep ourselves away from the mischiefs of the shaitan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.